U70 Offline Detection Function Operation Guide. Attach the U70 to the V1S Pro, then insert the UFS socket. This demo uses the UFS 150 pre-specified read-write socket. Place the NAND chip into the socket. Buckle weld the socket, and the V1S Pro will automatically detect the chip. Tap Read Info to manually read chip information. You can also modify the clock. Tap Modify CLK. Select the desired clock. The clock is being modified. Tap Read Info to confirm the process. The clock has been successfully updated. You can also modify the boot partition. Tap Modify Boot. Select the target boot partition. The boot partition is modified. Tap Read Info to verify. The boot partition modification is complete. Tap Restart U70 to reboot the device. U70 Offline Detection Operation Demo completed.